In today's video, I'm going to teach you check eligibility for same-day delivery. Same-day delivery on Amazon isn't everywhere, and it can even vary by neighborhood and by what's in stock. So let's quickly verify what's available to you. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Amazon same-day delivery. In the results, look for Amazon's official page that lists same-day delivery stores or eligible areas. Open that page and enter your zip code. This is the fastest way to see whether your address qualifies before you spend time building a cart. Next, get your address set on Amazon early. On the site or app, sign in and confirm your delivery zip code at the top of the page. With the right address selected, Amazon will show you accurate delivery options. As you browse, watch for labels like free delivery today or get it today. You can also apply the same day delivery filter in search to narrow results to items that can arrive today in your area. Prime membership makes this much easier. In eligible locations, Prime members typically get same-day delivery at no extra cost when the order meets a minimum, often around $25 in the United States. And if you're not a Prime member, you can still choose same-day delivery where it's offered, but expect a higher fee per order. Timing is critical. Same-day delivery has daily cutoff times, often late morning or early afternoon, and these can vary by region and even by item. On each product page, check for a message like order within X hours to get it today. At checkout, actively choose the option that says same day delivery or get it today to make sure your order is routed correctly. Be mindful of the minimum order requirement. For Prime, same day is generally free only when your qualifying items hit the minimum. If you're under that threshold, you might see a delivery fee added or the same day option disappear. Adding another eligible item can push you over the minimum and unlock free same day. Before you place the order, review the cart closely. Every item needs to be eligible for same day to keep the faster window. If one product isn't eligible, Amazon may move the entire shipment to the next day or split deliveries. Finally, confirm the estimated delivery window shown at checkout so you know when to expect the package. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon tips and step-by-step guides.